morning, guys. So today we are going to start preparing for the hurricane that's coming, Hurricane Irma. Right now I'm sick, so yeah, but right now Jayden is getting ready. I'm kind of walking in on him, but so yeah, he's getting ready and we're gonna go meet my mom to start shopping. She went on her lunch break and tried to look at the stores around where she works, and she said she could not find any water. So I don't know how it's gonna go when we go look. We're gonna try and look at Walmart around here. There's also Target. There's actually 2 Walmarts and a Target. So we're gonna see what we can find. Hopefully we can get some canned stuff and some dry stuff. My mom said they didn't have any bread either, so that's pretty much all the stuff that you can eat during a hurricane if you lose power and you have everything electric, especially stoves and stuff. So yeah, we'll see what we can find, but we'll see you once we get to a store. Alright, we just made it to the car. We're headed to my mom's job. So yeah, bumpy. But yeah, so we're gonna, like I said, go to those stores and see what they have there left.
Yeah, what's left exactly?
I mean, yesterday we had found out, you know, it could have been coming here. I mean, they're still really not sure what's really gonna happen, but you know, who knows. But yeah, so see you guys when we get to the store.
See ya.
Alright, so we just made it to Walmart. It's pretty hectic in here. So we're kind of just gonna shop. I guess we'll just montage what we get. But yeah, we'll see you later. So we haven't vlogged a lot, but we'll just see you guys when we leave.
Yeah, it's just way too hectic, and we have to hit some more stores anyway. There's a lot that we didn't get, so
yeah, we're gonna go to Target and then
possibly the dollar store. Yeah. All right, so we're in line now. So we got a decent amount of stuff, but there was absolutely no water left. So yeah, we got like some Gatorades and snacks and stuff, but we still got to get like more canned foods. There really wasn't a lot left. There was no bread here either. So now we're headed to Target and to the dollar store. Naisha's mom's getting out of work now, so we're gonna meet up with her and see if we can go get some more stuff.
Well, you want to meet us at Target? Yeah. Okay, I bought the little Spanish rice package. You can make that. Alright, so we're at Target now. Just got some flashlights. But what are we even getting?
That's what I was about to ask you.
I don't know.
I guess crackers and Mom got the bread.
Yeah, my mom found bread, so good on that.
We'll see if they got water.
Oh yeah, true.
And I
whatever. We'll see you guys when we leave.
Yeah. Alright, so me and Naisha split up. I sent her over to Petco, and I'm at the dollar store trying to get some candles, more batteries, and flashlights. So I found like these really tall candles. So now we got that, and I think we need like candle holders. I don't know. I never really used candles like that. Well, they got like these battery operated candles too, but I don't think those would be good. Alright, so we're almost done with all our shopping. As soon as she's done at Petco, she's gonna come over here, help me get the last bit of this stuff, and then we'll head back to the house and show you guys all the stuff that we got to prepare for this hurricane.
Okay, so we just got back from Petco and the dollar store. We got some candles, dog food. I went to Petco, there was like nothing left. Like that store is barren. At least people are caring about their pets, I guess. But
Yeah.
So like I was telling him, I was like, because I have Philly, obviously. She's, you know, a good sized dog. And then my other dog, Emma, she's small, so she can get like the smaller breeds. So her bag of food is like 24, but then if I would have got Philly's, the same, you know, big bag, it would have been 40 because it's like an all breed and the pieces are bigger. So I just got Emma's food, and then Philly, I gave her the smaller bag because Philly can eat Emma's, but it's harder for Emma's to eat Philly's. But yeah, so we got candles, we got doggy pee-pee pads because obviously they can't go outside.
Are my brakes squeaking?
I don't know. Yeah, the front brakes.
Great.
Nice.
Nothing.
But yeah, so we're headed back now. We can show you guys what we got.
Yeah, we'll do a quick haul
Yeah.
when we get back home.
A hurricane haul. No, I was kidding. But yeah, so we'll see you guys back there.
Alright guys, so we just got home. We got everything loaded up in the pantries and stuff. We're about to go with Naisha's stepdad to Home Depot or Lowe's, I don't know which one, to go get some stuff to secure the roof down, any loose shingles or whatever. So we're getting ready to go there. We'll probably show you guys what we got tomorrow. Everybody's home right now. It's a little chaotic, so we couldn't really do the haul like we wanted to right now. So we'll probably show you guys tomorrow exactly what we got. I don't know. The dogs are going crazy. Everybody's going crazy right now, talking about the hurricane. Alright guys, so I will see you at Home Depot or Lowe's, whichever one. We'll see you there. Bye. Alright, so we're in Home Depot now. We are looking for a generator.
We're not gonna find one though.
No, we're not. I don't even... I should know where to look.
Why are we in garden?
Because generators are like outside things? I don't know. I should know this. I used to go to Home Depot with my dad all the time as a kid. Like, I pretty much lived in Home Depot. It was my second home. So I should know this stuff.
I wonder if they had those little propane
Yeah, they
cookers.
should. Probably like over here somewhere. I'm a big kid. How's it going?
That lady's so rude.
Really?
Yeah. Where are you going? We parked over here.
Alright, so we struck out there. No generators. And the people were rude. They didn't answer any questions about other stores nearby that might have generators. So I guess we're going on to Lowe's now. Everywhere is just so packed. It's so crazy out here. Like, feels like a zombie apocalypse is about to hit or something.
We'll see you in the next store, possibly.
Right. Next store is probably Lowe's, right? These two.
Want some mulch?
And just like that, we're walking out. They have no plywood, no generators. They're waiting on, I guess they have 2 trucks coming sometime this week. They have no clue exactly when it's supposed to get here. So who knows, it could get here too late. But we drove all the way, I think we're in Sebastian right now. So we're probably like 30, 45 minutes away from Palm Bay right now. So we drove all the way over here to get the same answer that we got in Palm Bay. So now I guess we're just gonna drive around to a couple stores over here and see if they have water, because we still have the 2 cases of water that we have, but if we could find more, that'd be great.
It's so crazy. Holy.
Like, everything is
we're
gone.
We're honestly probably gonna have to leave.
Yeah, we're more than likely gonna evacuate. Like, more than likely. This is getting so scary, oh my god. Alright guys, so we're home now. Here's all the stuff we got. We're gonna do a haul tomorrow, and show you guys everything that we got.
But yeah, so I always say, but yeah, so
I know.
I'm a little lower.
Sorry.
But yeah, so we're home now. We're probably gonna do another video like this tomorrow, because I think we're gonna put up the shutters tomorrow.
Yeah, there's a lot more stuff that we have to do. Today was just more focused on getting on the food and drinks and stuff. But
it's a category 5 now, so we don't know exactly what's gonna happen with that. Sorry.
Yeah. We've been talking about possibly evacuating because it sounds like it's gonna get really bad. So we just don't know where exactly we're gonna go. But
a hotel, but we don't know how north.
Yeah, how north? Yeah, exactly. Because
like how the path of the hurricane and everything like that. So
yeah.
Over the next few days, we'll find that out more.
Yeah,
but
so.
Right now, it's just questions. If it's going to stay category 5, it's going to go down to a category 4, and we don't know.
How bad it's going to be, what path it's going to take, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, better to prepare for the worst than be ready than to just be sitting ducks and... What, my arm is shaking?
Yes.
Sorry. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
You hold it then.
But yeah, so we don't know.
So tomorrow morning I have to go to work. When I come back, we have to put away like some of the patio furniture and stuff like that, and then when her stepdad comes home tomorrow, we'll have to put the shutters open.
But we'll see ya guys next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good night.